looking forward then to Dundee United on Saturday. New manager, great win at the weekend for him, wasn't it? Great start for Jackie.
Yeah, it was great for Jackie. Yeah, I mean, congratulate Jackie. He's getting the job, and Simon and Dan Jackson now. So yeah, again, very much like Gordon Strachan. If you're a manager, you want to win your first game, and you couldn't have started any better for him. 15 seconds, and they're 1-0 up at home against Rangers in the Scottish Cup. So they built on that and on the day, as everyone knows, and a great victory. And we find ourselves going into the situation, new manager, great result, and maybe not the best time to go there. However, we are playing well ourselves, and we won up there early in the season. We won the League Cup, so we know we can do it.
Do you expect them to be a different proposition than when Boosty was there?
I think Peter Houston did a magnificent job, in winning the Scottish Cup and getting them into Europe. Often done a great job. It may just be that slight wee tweaks and differences, and just a new face coming in might just give them that wee bit freshness, whatever. Players having to impress the new manager as well, who maybe players out of contract are now got to impress the new manager to get a contract. Different situations and then crop up,
You always get a boost though when a club seems to get a boost.
Yeah, well,
when the manager goes in.
Yeah, exactly. Well, they got a great victory. I mean, if they hadn't won at home since August, and they go and win against Rangers, so that would suggest that they got a boost from that. Yeah. So, as I say, it's up to us to go there and look after ourselves and play our game.